1/4 mile, make a slight left turn on Long Beach Road using the upcoming left lane.
About their defense that I don't love, that I would probably, like I'm looking at Brock Bowers as being a good DFS option this week, because I think that the Ravens, they've altered some coverage. Defense.
Come on!
Put that feet to the door. Yay! Oh no! Oh no! Oh my god! Now the guy's going to go to the garage again.
Come on, see, I knew it! I knew it! He'll drive himself.
That's life.
God!
I'm not going to tell you that my mother.
Oh my God, stop.
Oh.
Oh, man.
Oh. Holy.
Loves the good golden doodle. All the golden retriever goodness with just a hint of doodle.
Yeah, boy. लागे थे
ना लागे नहीं
हैं
ना लागे
अरे ये मंदिर नहीं है शिवालय
Oh, Jesus.
That was a fridge or something. Whoa, what the
The two most sought-after, most prestigious names in bridal jewelry come together for one epic event this weekend at Genesis Diamond.
Decorum and Veragio, the world's premier designers, are showing off their entire collection. All the latest.
Oh my god! Dashcam!
Lane, which is blocked off right now with a stalled vehicle. And off on a little bit of a good note, that all service back on TTC on the Young University line.
No, they're always young boys, and then they just reinforce their own biases.
Representative Roman, you were one of 30 or so unconfirmed delegates at the DNC, but after weeks of talks with organizers,
I get done with lunch. I'm probably gonna go to Crosby's, honestly. Oh, whoa! I just witnessed an accident.
Bit of education.
Also, just a callback to something we flagged on our Love It episode. There literally seem to be calling for the demolition of the United.
Search online at bmwfremont.com. Stock number H.